Um, Not only that, but when you're out in the garden, the sunshine hits you and it creates vitamin D. So that keeps your bones, your teeth, your muscle healthy. It regulates your immune system. And also, there's been a paper recently that's looked at different levels of sunshine, winter, autumn, and it's shown a direct link to serotonin levels, which are those that help with happiness. So getting outside, even if it's in your balcony, even if it's opening your window with your plant to give your plant a bit of air, is really good. Next slide. And then we go on the physical health. Now, there is a direct link between physical and mental health. So, gardening can burn around 250, 500 calories. I pruned a hedge, a conifer hedge, and I went right up on my heart rate. I probably strained it actually in relation to the hedging, but I've got a heart monitor that I can measure those things, and it really is a really good activity. So just getting out there, 15 minutes gone. In fact, there's another paper that's been produced that says if you spend 2 hours in nature, that will help your mental well-being. We're also going to publish a paper soon that will talk about the dose response of gardening. I was just looking through it today. So there's a really interesting element of how much gardening in relation to dosage. So yeah, next slide. And here's just sort of you can see the calories burnt basically with the different elements. So digging is quite good, and then sort of general gardening is quite good.